Do you know how a quiet experiment inside a dark room changed the direction of science forever? This man wasn't chasing fame, fortune, or headlines inside this quiet room.
This scientist was driven by questions, not recognition. He believed truth reveals itself to those who observe carefully.
Invisible energy flowed silently through the system. Unseen, yet powerful. Something here was intentionally hidden from sight. But hiding it only revealed something greater. The laboratory was simple, quiet, and filled with possibilities. Every tool waited patiently to reveal its secret.
The experiment was repeated again and again. The result never changed.
This was no coincidence. Something new had revealed itself. The symbol X was chosen for the unknown, a mystery officially acknowledged. Various materials were tested carefully. Each responded differently. Some structures appeared clearly, others faded away. Every observation was recorded. Evidence mattered above all. Hours turned into days. Curiosity never faded. The results were undeniable. The invisible had become observable. With discovery came responsibility. Caution guided every step. The findings were shared carefully, with clarity and honesty. The response was immediate.
Science had crossed a threshold.
New possibilities emerged. Understanding expanded. The purpose was never power. It was progress. This discovery quietly reshaped science and improved human understanding. Discipline made discovery possible, not chance. No search for reward, only truth.
The idea traveled far.
Across borders, technology improved steadily, guided by knowledge.
Understanding led to safer use. Learning continued.
Beyond science, industry benefited, quality improved. Trust grew through evidence, not promises. All from this moment. One glow. Science education transformed. Curiosity spread. Principles were understood. Rules defined. Power demanded balance. Wisdom guided use. Human life improved quietly. Without headlines. Recognition followed naturally, but humility remained. The discovery belonged to everyone, not one person. The concept continued evolving, still guided by curiosity.
Applications expanded across fields. Science adapted.
Responsible use became essential. Knowledge matured.
One mind questioned the unknown and changed the world.
Time passed. Impact remained. History remembers actions, not noise.
Future scientists were inspired by curiosity.
What if curiosity stopped?
Progress would too.
Science moves step by step, not leaps. Foundations matter.
They support everything.
Knowledge deserves respect and care. Subscribe to learn more about history. Stillness reveals truth, if observed. Remember this glow. It started everything. The story ends where it began, with curiosity. Observe carefully. Question deeply. Method matters. Always.
Humanity benefits most
When knowledge is shared, the future builds on the past. Every time. Would you have noticed the glow? Curiosity, notice. Discipline proves. Science moves forward quietly, but powerfully. One idea leads to another, endlessly. We owe progress to patience and curiosity. Remember this moment. It mattered. Knowledge grows when shared freely.
Ethics guide discovery. Always.
Great discoveries are timeless, beyond eras. Balance creates focus. Focus creates discovery. One mind questioned the unknown. Humanity benefited. The impact continues today. Everywhere. Thank science.
For curiosity.
What will you discover? Curiosity never ends. It loops. Curiosity wins. Always. What?
Tell us t'other. Tell us in comment the next.